I want to run through my footwear selection for 8,000 meter peaks. I've got 4 items. I'll run through them individually. First, just a travel shoe. I use this for around town, maybe some light trekking. But once you start to get into the more serious trekking, getting into the snow, you'll want a more solid boot like this, more of a rigid sole, and a bit more ankle support. And then for relaxing at base camp, I've just got a nice, comfortable boot with some fleece lining there. A lot of downtime at base camp, so you can hang out in that. And then obviously your summit boot. This is a triple boot, Everest. Another great option as well is the La Sportiva Olympus Mons, and this triple boot will get you all the way to the summit and back down. I wanted to talk about double insulated climbing boots for moderate high altitude peaks. This is kind of the classic version. It's got a insulated inner and a plastic shell. We use this for quite a while. You don't see them quite as much anymore. I still use this at times just because it's really nice and warm. This is a more modern option. This is the La Sportiva G2 SM. It's got a built-in gaiter. It's just as warm, but just a lot more modern and a much better fit.